Hello students, here we will study about the blood vessels, right? Blood vessels are those in which the blood flows. They are the thin tubes present inside the body in which the blood flows. They are the blood vessels. Now these blood vessels, they are the three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries are those blood vessels which carry the blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. They are red in color. They are deeply situated inside the body. Their walls are thick and elastic. Here, the blood flows under high pressure. They are deeply situated inside our body. And only the pulmonary artery, it carries deoxygenated blood, and pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood. Whereas the veins are superficially situated in the body. Veins carry blood from the different parts of the bodies back to the heart. Veins carry blood from different parts of the bodies back to the heart, and here blood flows under low pressure because the lumen is narrow. In case of artery the lumen is narrow, so the blood is under high pressure. In case of vein, the lumen is broad, so the blood flows under the high pressure. Capillaries, they are thin walled, they connect arteries and veins together. Arteries further bifurcated into arteriole, and then that artery bifurcates into arteriole, then capillary, then venule, and then they forms the veins, and it goes to the heart. It is coming from the heart, and from the veins again blood goes. So it flows under the closed channels. It flows this, that the venules, arteriole, capillaries. Capillaries are deeply situated inside the organs, cells or the body tissues, through which exchange of material is there. Capillaries plays a very important, unique role while exchange of the materials, transportation of the substances, exchange of the gases, digestive nutrients. They were given to each and every cell by the body, the plasma of the blood of the organs. Excretory materials, that is the CO2 and the uric acid and the other whatever the cell excretory products, they were taken away by the plasma, and through the vein again it goes back. CO2 we give out. As blood is oxygenated in lungs, so pulmonary artery, it supplies blood to the lungs. So pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood, and pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood, and pulmonary artery, it carries deoxygenated blood. So that's why, because pulmonary artery arises from heart, goes to the different. So arteries we have termed all the veins which carry blood from the heart to the different organs of the body. As the different organs of the body they carry, so it's a, but from the heart blood goes to the lungs, and from lungs again it is oxygenated, again it comes back to the heart. So the blood vessels which carry the blood from the organ back, they are the veins. That's why pulmonary arteries carries oxygenated blood and pulmonary vein carries dear blood. Besides that, walls are present in the veins to prevent backward flow of the blood. Walls are present to prevent backward flow of the blood, because deoxygenated blood should not go back to the other organs or parts of the bodies again back. So if the blood flows backward, the walls are closed and backward flow is not possible, so that our body is protected from the various things, right? So I hope topic is clear to you. Arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carries the oxygenated blood from the heart to the different parts of the bodies. They are thin and elastic, they have narrow blood flows under high pressure. They are deeply situated. The veins, they are thin walls to prevent backward flow of the blood. That the walls are present, that is prevent backward flow of the blood, to prevent. They carry impure blood from the different parts of the body except pulmonary vein. Blood flows under low pressure, and they are superficially outer side situated to the body. artificial